I'm Day Wilson, and I'm going to show you the best way to make homemade hot chocolate for 2 people. Chocolate, so it all starts with that. I like to use a semi-sweet chocolate, and so we're going to start out with 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate and 2/3 of a cup of heavy cream. So the first thing what we're doing is we're making this base. And I've done this in a microwavable bowl because I'm going to melt the chocolate in the cream right in the microwave. Or if you prefer, you could do this step in a double boiler. So I'm going to put this in the microwave and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's melted. So I melted my chocolate and cream in the microwave, and I'm just going to whisk it so that the chocolate and cream come together. Now, if you bake a lot in the kitchen, you will recognize that this is a simple ganache. A chocolate ganache is a simple combination of chocolate and cream. Now, I just want to point out, this is not hot cocoa. In that case, we would be using cocoa. This is homemade hot chocolate, and that's why we've started with chocolate and we've melted the chocolate in some cream to give some richness. This is ready to go, but you can also pour it into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. This will last up to a month in the refrigerator. During the winter months, I make a batch of this ganache, I pour it into a airtight container, and I keep this in the fridge. And that way, whenever I want to make hot chocolate quickly and easily, I'm good to go. So I'm going to put a little bit of the chocolate ganache in the bottom of 2 cups. And if it's chilled, you can just scoop out a bit of it and it'll be firm, but might take a little more to dissolve, but that is okay. It will melt in the milk. If I'm preparing this as though I were doing this in the microwave. If you wanted to do this on top of the stove, you would simply combine some of this and milk in a pot, stirred until it's heated to the temperature that you want, and then you could pour it into your cups. But this, I think, is really the easiest way. The milk is cold because then I'm going to warm it in the microwave, stir it together. If you want chocolate milk, this is it right here. If you want to turn it into hot chocolate, then we just have to zap it in the microwave for a few moments. These are going to go in the microwave. It's going to melt all the chocolate, and I'll be back in a moment. These just came out of the microwave. They're hot. They're ready to be topped with a marshmallow if you like. You can see how easy it was to make this for 2. But now that you have this ganache in the refrigerator, you could make it for 1, 2, or more. So a little marshmallow warms you right up on a cold winter day. I'm Day Wilson. This is homemade hot chocolate for 2. You can find this recipe at bakepedia.com, the baker's resource.